Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down in order to find the wallpaper section. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the static wallpapers which are pre-installed on this device, so you can choose something from those options. Here you can check which one you've got currently applied. You've got this small home icon on it. What is more, you can tap on gallery and you will of course be able to set your own photo as a wallpaper. In order to check the preview, you've accidentally saw that, all you have to do is to tap on the wallpaper. So let me pick for example this one, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the full page. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on set as, and here you can decide where you want to set it, so the home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.